Good morning student, welcome to DSS online class. Today I will give reading video of chapter 9 soil. Soil is the one of the most important natural resources. It provides anchorage to the plants and supply water and nutrients. It is the home for many organisms. Soil is the essential for agriculture. Agriculture provides food, clothing and shelter for all. Soil is thus inseparable part of our life. The earthy fragrance of soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Table 9.1. Serial number, soil source, plants, animals, any other observation. Garden soil, grass on. Second, soil from roadside. Third, soil from area where construction is going on. Soil teeming with life. One day during the rainy season, Paheli and Buzo observed an earthworm coming out of the soil. Paheli wondered whether there were other organisms also in the soil. Let us find out. Activity 9.1. Collect some soil sample and observe them carefully. You can use hand lens, examine each sample carefully and fill in table 9.1. Discuss your observation with your friend. Are the soil sample collected by your friend similar to ones collected by you? Buju and Paheli have used soil in many ways. They enjoy playing with it. It is great fun indeed. Make a list of the use of soil. I wondered why I found some pieces of plastic articles and polythene bag in the soil sample collected from the roadside and the garden. Polythene bag and plastic pollute the soil. They also kill the organism living in the soil. That is why there is a demand to ban the polythene bags and plastic. Other substances which pollute the soil are a number of waste products, chemicals, pesticides. Waste product and chemical should be treated before they are released into the soil. The use of pesticide should be minimized. What is pesticide? Pesticides are chemical which are used to kill the pest. I have seen pots and toys made up of soil in bazaar. Soil profile. Soil is composed of distinct layers. Means soil is made up of distinct layers. Perform following activity to find out how these layers are arranged. Activity 9.2. Take a little soil, break the clumps with your hand to powder it. Now take a glass tumbler, 3/4 filled with water, and then add a handful of soil to it. Stir it well with a stick to dissolve the soil. Now let it stand undisturbed for some time. Figure 9.2. Afterward, observe it and answer the following question: humus, water, clay, and sand and gravel. Layer of soil. Figure 9.2. Layer of soil. Do you see layer of particle of different size in glass tumbler? Draw a diagram showing this layer. Are there some dead rotting leaves or animal remains floating on water? The rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. You probably know that Soil is formed by breaking down of rock by the action of winds, water, and climate. Means formation of soil by the breaking down of rocks by the action of winds, water, and climate. This process is called weathering. The nature of soil depends upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the type of vegetation that grew in its vertical section through different layer of soil is called soil profile. Each layer differ in fill, color, depth, and chemicals composition. These layers are referred to as horizon. Okay, thank you.